In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to turn off and turn on this flying spinner. Those who don't know about this toy, they can visit our YouTube channel and know about this flying spinner. This toy comes in 3 different colors: blue, red and black color. If you want to purchase this toy, you can go through the link described in our YouTube channel. Before you play with this flying spinner, make sure you charge it for around 15 to 20 minutes to get fully charged. Here you can see a charging port. You can charge through this port. This is the button from where you can turn on and turn off this device. You just need to slightly turn on this button. As it is turned off, you can see RGB light is on and it starts to rotate automatically. See how beautiful is this? It is like a Captain America suit. Now I'll show you how to fly this spinner.